Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a funny-looking creature named Jabba the Hutt. Jabba was a large, jelly-like creature with long, twisted tentacles. He was the ruler of a planet called Tatooine. One night, Jabba had a dream. In his dream, he saw a group of small, bright creatures playing and laughing. They were so happy and carefree, and Jabba couldn't help but feel a little jealous. The next day, Jabba decided to do something about his dream. He called all the creatures of Tatooine to his palace and said, "I want to make Tatooine a happier place. Let's all work together to create a big playground where we can all play and have fun." The creatures of Tatooine were excited and immediately got to work. They built a playground with giant slides, swings, and seesaws. They also planted beautiful flowers and trees all around. When the playground was finished, Jabba and all the creatures of Tatooine gathered there to play. They laughed and played all day, just like the happy creatures in Jabba's dream. Jabba was so happy to see everyone having fun. He realized that being a good leader means making others happy, and he was proud of what they had accomplished. From that day on, Tatooine was the happiest place in the galaxy. As Jabba looked up at the sky, he saw a shooting star. He made a wish and said, "I hope everyone on Tatooine always has a happy dream like mine." And with that, Jabba the Hutt went to sleep, feeling content and fulfilled. The end.